Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I explain how to find your Windows 11 product key or license key using a free and secure tool called ShowKeyPlus. Knowing your Windows product key is crucial, especially when reinstalling Windows, transferring your license to a new computer, or even checking your Windows activation status. Sometimes the product key is pre-installed by the manufacturer and isn't visible anywhere. If you upgraded from a previous version of Windows, your key may be stored deep within your system. So instead of searching manually, this method offers a simple, quick, and accurate way to get your key using a reliable tool from the Microsoft Store. Microsoft typically hides the key by default for security reasons. It's usually built into the BIOS of OEM systems or stored online for digital licenses. You'll likely need the key when installing or formatting your system, or when moving to a new motherboard or laptop. In any case, we'll first learn how to download the tool and use it to get your Windows product key. Okay, to begin, open your favorite web browser, and through Google search for the tool ShowKeyPlus. And from the search results, click on the Microsoft Store result, not a third-party website, which may contain unsafe versions of the tool. Make sure you're on the apps.microsoft.com page. All you have to do now is click the download button and wait a few seconds for the download to complete. This is a very simple and lightweight tool. When you download the tool from here, you'll ensure that it's downloaded directly from Microsoft servers and installed securely on your computer. Next, open the Downloads folder and double-click the ShowKeyPlus installer and wait a few seconds for it to install. The tool will automatically scan your system and retrieve the license information immediately. Wait a while the tool collects license information. No need for manual input. ShowKeyPlus reads the key directly from the Windows registry or UEFI firmware, and immediately all information, such as product name, product ID, build version, installed key, and OEM key, will be displayed. The installed key is the license you'll need to write down or back up, especially if you plan to reinstall or transfer your Windows license. You can also click the Save button, which allows the tool to create a text file containing all your Windows license information. You can then securely back up your key to a USB drive, cloud storage, or external hard drive. That's it. In today's video, we'll show you how to find and securely back up your Windows 11 product key using ShowKeyPlus. Whether you're planning to reinstall or upgrade your system, or just want to be safe, saving your license key gives you peace of mind and complete control over your system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.